Hi guys, in this video we will be learning how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Now you should be able to see. Okay, so this is the beginner's method. So firstly, you see these white edges, you want them like this. First step is to make the daisy. We have another white one, we turn it and then we do 2 turns. Oh, we need one more edge. We can find that by looking at it. Turn. There you go. We have solved our daisy. So the next step is to return. You see this color? Yes, you see this color? It is not matching with this. This is matching, so we can just turn this around. Then this is not matching. This is matching. Turn around. This is matching. Turn around. Not matching. So this is not matching. I turn this around, and there you go. You saw the white cross. So you see these corners now, right? You see these corners. This corner is red and green. So find the red and green areas. Bring it over here, right here, with the green, where these two match, and then do this. Yeah. See, and the white is facing up this time. So we do this. There you go, we have solved it. And there you go, everything is facing this. And then this is the final corner. This. So to insert this edge piece in here, next step is to insert this edge piece in here. So when this part is matching this one, then we have to do this. There you go, we have inserted that. And if it matches here on the, what do we call this, left side, then do this. There you go. And then next, I'll just solve all of these quickly. Yeah. And you have this thing here. See, you see this L shape. So keep the L shape in this top left corner and do this. And then if you have the line case, leave it horizontally and do this. And then in this case, we have to do this to match up the edges, and then we have to make them face all of them up. So there are 2 algorithms. One is the anti-swoon and one is the swoon. So in this case, this is an anti-swing. It is like that. And then see, the anti-swing is like this. And then the swing is like. And then next, there is only one algorithm for this, the T-perm. Yep, and then you have solved all of that. And then there are lots of cases for this. For this case, where on your left there is the opposite, this edge needs to go here, and this edge needs to go here, and this edge needs to go here. So we start like this. Okay, next case where you have the opposite color on the right side, and this edge needs to go here, this edge needs to go here, and this edge needs to go here. Okay, so we do it like this. Next case, this we mostly call the adjacent swap. See, these both are swapped, and then these both are swapped. So we start like this, like this. See, we are on this side. Yeah, next case. This is what we call the opposite swap. This needs to get swapped here, and this needs to get swapped here. Same with these. So we started like M2, U, M2, U, U2, M2, U, M2. And then that's all. Bye guys.